Hello children, Miss Livy here again with a story time. I'm sorry I haven't done a story for a few days because I went back to work and I've been very busy with the new guidelines. We have to work with fewer children and learning how to social distance ourselves, and it's hard in a preschool environment, but here I am again. Some of those children that they haven't come back, they still want a story time. So here you go. I chose the book. It's a beautiful book the children love, that is Sounds of the Forest. So you can be aware of when you go out into the woods or for walks and stuff. This is by Miri Leshem Pelly. It's a beautiful book. Enjoy. Hiding in a tree trunk nest, hearing noises all around. Baby owl is missing mommy, waiting for her special sound. See the baby owl waiting right there patiently for mama. On the tree trunk, he's just sitting patiently. There is a knocking. Little owl is peeping through. Mommy, mommy, is that you who is knocking? Who? Who, he said. Nope, it's me. Woodpecker says, I'm tapping for some grubs. I want to look inside this tree to find some tasty bugs. There is a crunching, crunch, crunch, crunch. Little owl is peeking through. Mommy, mommy, is that you who is crunching? Who? No, sweet owl, the squirrel replies. You hear the sound of crunch, crunch because I am chewing on this nut, which is my favorite lunch. That's true. Squirrels love nuts. There is a flapping. Flip, flip, flop. Little owl is peeping through. Mommy, mommy, is that you who is flapping? No, my friend. It's me, the bat, flying on my grounds. I flap my wings and stretch my ears to hear the forest sounds. Here is a sweet sound. Little owl is peeking through. Mommy, now I know it's you. He's right. His mommy arrived with something on her beak. Yes, my baby. Mommy's here with food to make you strong. And now together you and I can sing the owl song. The end. It's a beautiful little book for toddlers. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time.